this is Hickorycroft Farm, and we are going to harvest our sweet potatoes before the winter comes.
Yes, we the other night we watched Start from Seed on YouTube, and he was harvesting his sweet potatoes because they had to be out before frost, and we learned something because we didn't know it was that big of an issue if they got frosted. And as it turns out, it is from a preservation perspective, I guess. So the last 2 nights we've had threat of frost, haven't we? So what do we do, guys? What do we do to the sweet potatoes?
We're going to pick them, and if we have time...
That's right, we covered them up.
Yes, and today we're...
With a horse blanket.
Yeah.
Which worked pretty well, I think.
So why don't you guys pull off some of these blankets while Chris films? See how they did. They shouldn't have gotten any frost under those winter blankets.
They're big.
Having horses sometimes comes in handy. So, that's it. Yank it off. Our squash plants kind of got
growing over top
of all of our sweet potatoes. Oh. This is our second year growing the sweet potatoes in buckets. And last year it worked amazing, so I'm very curious to see how they did this year.
Yeah, because anyway, this is a new place for us, so it's like, because we're closer to the equator, so we might have actually got bigger plants.
Well, we have a little longer growing zone, right?
Yeah.
We're not that much closer to the equator, though. But
it's funny, wonder where they get their facts sometimes. Kids. But anyways, they're excited to help us with this sweet potatoes, so we're going to rip these greens off and disperse them amongst all of our critters. The greens are edible by people as well. You can
try one.
use them. Maybe I should save some, make salad tonight.
you could. We just got to get a bowl.
For lunch.
Put some leaves in it.
Or stir fry them or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. They're all right. They're not fantastic. Could be that they're not super young and fresh. I don't know. Try one of the younger ones. Where's a younger one?
That.
There's a nicer fresh one here. Let's see what these littler ones.
I ate a pretty nice one.
Yours was good? Here's a nicer young one. Let's see.
What about this?
Check it for bugs first. Aren't we like little rabbits?
Big rabbits, actually.
I have a feeling the rabbits will make better use of this than us for salad.
All right. Well, we'll go ahead and take the greens off and then go to the next part. Pull the whole thing up, see?
Thank you, James.
Bunny would pretty much got them out. A couple of potatoes came up.
Yeah, they didn't.
With it.
It'll be interesting to see what's in these.
So we did 5. Now you can see it a bit better. We did 5 buckets that we got plants in.
Oh, you've already got some out of the bucket.
Yep.
Here's one that came up. Not a bad size one.
That's a nice one, yeah. These were grown from our own potatoes that we'd saved last year. We have no idea what variety they are.
All right, so this is basically going to become a bed of some of our blueberries, going back to our sort of blueberry dilemma video a while back. We're actually going to get some planted, and what we're going to do, we've got our 5 buckets of sweet potatoes. So we're going to take one of these buckets and dump it into here so that we basically reuse the soil. So you can put the potatoes in there for now. Potatoes.
All right, get in there and help, Alex.
One.
5, 6.
Some of them have split. We're not sure why. I don't know. This one might not have very many in it.
Yeah, but don't forget, some of them were planted a lot later than others.
Yeah, and I don't remember which were which.
No. So that was bucket 1. What'd we get, Jamesy? Not much.
Not very many.
Bucket 2. So it's not looking super promising.
One.
Oh, that's big.
Oh, split all up too. Show us what you got there, James. Very split up. That one looks nice.
So noticing a bunch of them have split. I don't really know, but I'm guessing it's probably because we had a really, really dry summer, and we did water them, but then we got quite a bit of rain fairly recently, so I don't know if that's maybe caused them to I don't even know if that's possible.
Bucket 3.
A sweet potato was left.
Oh, that looks
that's
better.
All right, your job. I'll get them out because I don't want to then break them. You need to put them in.
These ones are good.
Some better ones in this bucket. This might have been one of the original buckets.
Here, James.
Better ones, but still not many. Bucket number 4.
Next one.
So far, we have not done well. Oh, this doesn't look like it's going to have much. Yeah, they're all
All
very,
split.
very split and weird shaped.
Look
Yeah,
at this.
awkward shapes.
They should see it. See it?
See, if you'd pulled that one, you would have broke it.
And boop.
Hey, these ones are split.
No, there's a couple that are okay in here.
Number 5s are good luck ones, see?
Yeah, you already got those off the top. Move out of the way so Chris can dump it. Let's see what's in there. Hopefully.
Ooh, I see some already.
You got a good little mittful there, Alex, but they're sure little.
So this is basically it. This is our harvest.
Pretty pitiful.
Well, it's not pitiful. It's still
Good.
Still
a lot of
food.
sweet potatoes, but they didn't do as well as they have in the past in the buckets. But part of that could be, as per everything else this year, they got planted late. We had a really dry year. Like I say, I don't know what's causing the splitting. I'm going to assume it's water later on, but anyways, we'll get them spread out at least and put the small ones aside for the rabbits, and maybe we'll take a bucket of potatoes out and see how they did.